Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. And today, woo, even more reindeer patterns. I'm for big crochet. Welcome to my channel and Christmas in July. Today, more reindeer crochet patterns. And we're starting off with this cute white reindeer head. You can use it as a Christmas ornament or wherever you want in your Christmas decor. This one is a happy fella. The photo is not very good, but you get the general gist of the pattern. I love his big smile. And how cool is this green little Christmas vest? Oh, this is a cute little one with a fluffy tail, and he has his own Christmas tree. And this one is on a bottle, as a bottle topper. I don't know if that's a word, but you can use it for that. Googly eyes. And he has very festive little beads or little bells even on his antlers. Fun idea. We had this one in the last series already, but I can't stop boasting about the fact that I actually made one of these as well. It's a very fun pattern. And this one is cute with the little bow tie here. A bow tie, it's not a bow tie, it's a bow, hair bow, if it's on up there. And the little dangly legs and arms are cute as well. And this cutie has a big red nose. This can't be any other reindeer than the famous Rudolph. And another version of Rudolph with the big red nose. Very cute. Another red-nosed reindeer with a green scarf and massive antlers. And this is a cuddly, flat type triangular one. What a fun idea. If you make a big one, you can use it as a nice Christmas pillow. And this is a more realistic reindeer type with a very cute face and head, and I love the little tail. Look at these little ones. I love the little stripy sweaters, but I'm a sucker for animals in stripy sweaters, so can't help myself. And here are some naked ones in a brown color. This is it's a cute one as well. Massive antlers, and it's a big chunky fella. Cute. And this one is a small photo. Let me zoom in a bit. This one has actual antlers. Look at this thing. How cool is that? Love the colors in the ears. And this is we're full circle. I hope to see you again soon for more Christmas in July.